What's the best duffel bag for carry-on travel? It needs to have carry-on friendly dimensions, multiple carry options, and made out of durable materials. A lot of people think that the Patagonia Big Haul Duffel is a great option for carry-on travel. I've been testing it out for the past few weeks, and I'm going to show you all the features on this bag and let you know what I think. Welcome to One Bag Travels. My name is Jeff. This channel is dedicated to helping you with one bag carry-on travel by providing you with backpack, gear reviews, and travel advice. If you'd like to learn more about one bag travel, then please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's start with the outside of this bag. This fabric is what Patagonia calls black hole material. It's a thick 900 denier ripstop polyester coated in a plastic TPU laminate. It makes the fabric really stiff, durable, and waterproof. I don't have anything in this bag right now, and the fabric is stiff enough that it's standing up on its own. The hardware in this duffel bag is really the best. They use durable Duraflex buckles and large number 10 YKK zippers. The zippers are so big, smooth, and easy to move, it's almost fun to zip them. They aren't locking zippers, but you can clip a lock or a small carabiner on there, and you'll be good. This bag comes in 8 different colors. Most of them have some sort of bright fabric or loud, obvious logo, which, depending on how you look at it, can either be really pretty or a little bit obnoxious. This is the Dolomite blue color. They have some other colors that are way brighter than this, but if you want something a little bit more low-key, then this bag also comes in black. Looking at the external components, this duffel has 2 top carry grab handles, removable backpack straps, 2 side carry handles, 4 rows of daisy chain lashing points, and the front pocket, which is actually the pouch that the bag folds into in reverse. Some of the things that this duffel bag doesn't have are external compression straps, and it doesn't come with a shoulder strap. Also, like most duffels, this one doesn't have an external water bottle pocket. There's no big outside pockets to put one in, but you can use a small foldable water bottle in the main compartment, or you can clip one to the outside of the pack. The black hole fabric on this bag also does a pretty good job with stopping water, but the bag isn't waterproof. The black hole fabric itself is waterproof, and it has a storm flap covering the zippers on the main compartment. But the zippers themselves aren't waterproof, and it doesn't have sealed seams. Having a look at the backpack straps, they're a thinner, padded strap with a slight curve to them. They have a small amount of firm foam padding, but the back of the straps doesn't have a mesh backing. You can remove the straps using the plastic D-ring attachment points on the top of the straps and the plastic buckles on the bottom, but they don't have a dedicated stowaway pocket. The back of the backpack also doesn't have any kind of foam, mesh, padding, or ventilation. It's just the plastic TPU laminate, and because there's no padding, any hard items on the inside of the bag are going to be pressing against your back. For me, the fit on the backpack isn't very comfortable. The straps are a little thin, firm, and they're not very curved. The bag sits a little bit weird on my back, and there's no top adjusters to bring the bag in closer to your back. I also don't like where the straps connect on the bottom. The bag is kind of short, and it makes it hard to get to the buckles to adjust the length. These top grab handles are also really frustrating when you're carrying the backpack. You can't take them off, and there's no easy way to secure them out of the way. You can connect them together, but they're going to be poking you in the back. Looking at the interior components and design, this duffel bag opens from the top with this large U-zip opening. Inside, it's pretty much just a big duffel compartment. There's no interior separators, compartments, or compression straps. There are 2 small mesh pockets located on the underside of the lid that you can use for smaller items, but keep in mind that there's no padding between these pockets and your back. There also isn't a laptop compartment, but it's big enough that you can easily fit one inside the duffel. Packing the black hole duffel is pretty straightforward, but it's a little bit boxy and not quite as long as most other 45-liter carry-on bags. The main compartment is spacious, but it's not long enough to fit 2 medium packing cubes side by side. Also, when you pack this bag, pay attention to which side is up, because you're going to want to pack your lighter items towards the bottom of the duffel and heavier items on the top closer to your back. In summary, some of my favorite features on this bag are the material, the craftsmanship, and the hardware. It's a really solid, well-made bag. I like the simple, low-profile, minimalist aesthetic, notwithstanding the bright coloring, and I like the removable backpack straps and the top carry handles. Some of the things that I don't like about this bag is it doesn't come with a shoulder strap, which is a really big oversight in a duffel bag. There's no stash pocket for the backpack straps or the top grab handles to keep them out of the way. The backpack straps aren't very comfortable, and there's no padding or ventilation on the backpack back. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you have any questions about this bag, then I'll be happy to answer them in the comments below. And if you like reviews like this, then please consider subscribing to our channel. And thanks for watching.